Okay, well, my name is John. I'm going to discuss a little about Schneider VFD. We have got three sets of VFDs here. Altivar 212, Altivar 212 Schneider, all telemechanic. Altivar 212 and Altivar 21 is basically the same thing. So we are going to discuss how we can program this VFD and little things here and there. Just three sets of VFDs. You can see the wiring is already done. Everything is ready, just to be sent to site. Well, we're going to discuss a few things about this VFD. You can call it VFD, which is variable frequency drive, or you can call VSD, depending on which one you prefer. You can call it VSD, variable frequency, variable speed drive, or variable. Even some people usually call it inverter. In our case, we are going to discuss this one. 212 and 21 is just the same thing. Well, once you receive this VFD, you can notice that there are those parameters which are the basic parameters that you can program in the VFD, as shown there. The most important one is the motor rated current. You can just confirm the acceleration, such things here. We shall just go inside and check. Okay, now the VFD, this VFD you can test to run it either with load or without load. In our case, there's no load. Because in our case, there's no load. So the moment you try to run without load, you're going to notice that it is going to trip and it is going to indicate EPHO. EPHO basically means output phase error. So the output phase error is just indicating that it is not connected to the load. So what do? Okay, once you switch off, you cannot reset this kind of error direct from the pad, because the moment you reset it, maybe the motor will run. There was a reason as to why. So it tripped. So what do? You have to reset by switching off and on the main switch. So you switch it on, and there you are. Hello. So in case you want to just run it without the load, what do? You'll go to parameter F605. Let's go to parameter F605. Parameter F605. Once you go to parameter F605, you'll find that it is set at 3. That means it can only run on load. 605. It's set at 3. So you select and set it 0. Once you set 0, that means you can comfortably run without load. We skip by pressing the mode several times. So you can run the load. You see it is running already, running up to 15 hertz. 15 hertz. Okay. Now there are other few things that you can set. You can test. Press mode. Scroll down. There are seven constant speeds here. Constant speed SR1, SR7, SR6, SR5, SR4, SR3, SR2, and SR1. In our case, we are using constant speed on SR1. Just enter it. This is at 15 at the moment. So you can either scroll up or scroll down and set your desired speed. In our case, we want it to run up to the maximum, which is 50 Hertz. Yeah, just enter. Then scroll down. Confirm here what is the rating, the ampere rating of your motor. In this case, you have to read from the nameplate of the motor. This is a 7.5 kilowatt VFD, so it's around 13.7, 13.5. I mean, 13.5 amps. Enter to save it. Scroll down. Confirm the voltage. In this case, here in Dubai, it is 400 watts. Mode, go out, go down. This one UL, the small UN, motor rated frequency. So the motor rated frequency, in our case here it is 50. Go out. This one is the lower limit frequency. In this case it is 00. But in case you want the motor to ramp up from a certain frequency, let's say 5. In this case, we want it to start from 0. So we have set at 0.0. The motor will start ramping up from 0. Okay, go out. So this is the frequency of the country we are in, UAE. The frequency is 50. Highest frequency is 50, but in case you want the motor to run above 50 Hertz, you can do it even up to 100 or whatever your desired speed. You can increase the speed by increasing the. So this one is like a lock. The FH is like a lock for the UL. The UL can not go beyond what is already set at FH. So scroll down. This is the deceleration. When the motor is stopping, it's already set at 10 seconds. Although I usually set up to 30 seconds. Okay, and this is the acceleration when the motor is ramping up. Okay. Then we're just checking the most basic parameters that you can set. Now we have to go back again. Already we THR. Already at THR we had checked that is the amps. But we can also go to, we have to also set from F415. F415 is also the rating, the rating amps rating of the motor. Can enter. So around 13 point something. In our case, this is 7.5 kilowatt motor. F415 is the RPM. In our case, we don't have the motor with us, but it's already set at 1450. So basically, that is those are the basic parameters that you have to set from Altivar 12 and Altivar 21. You have to set the same programs. Okay, thank you for today. Bye.